台灣話第3課之2
Taiwanese Lesson 3, Part 2.
姓
Surnames.
你貴姓？你啥物貴姓？你貴姓？你啥物貴姓？
What is your surname?
我姓陳 My surname is Tan. 我姓林 I am surname Lin. 我姓黃 My surname is Ng. 我姓張 I am surname張. 我姓李 My surname is Li.
As of 1980, these 5 surnames, in that order, are the most common in Taiwan.
貴 means honorable.
It is best to use this polite form, though some will ask merely.
你姓啥物？你姓啥物？
In asking youths below age 18 or 20,
We do not usually say 貴. In answering 你貴姓 some say 我小姓姓小 equals small.
my insignificant surname is.
Note: to say Mr. Tan, whether addressing him or not, we say 丹先生 or 丹先生.
Note that, in this expression, the surname does not change tone.
先生先生 are encodings,
Following a surname, they are always in the third tone.
but 先生先生
May be used without a surname to mean Mr., Sir, Gentleman, Husband. In which case, they are not enclitics. Note that of all titles of address used with a surname, only when Mr. is used does the surname remain in the original tone. Compare.
王先生吳先夫劉牧師蔡老師楊秀麗.
These rank 6th to 10th among Taiwan's most common surnames.
李老師你食飽未？我食飽啊。
Did you eat yet, Ms. Lee? I have eaten. Note that teacher is used in direct address in Taiwanese. So are most titles. Married women teachers are addressed by their maiden name plus
老師
but the husband's surname is used in addressing ministers' wives.
陳牧師娘舊早 Good morning, Mrs. Tan.
Another way of asking questions.
Use 有無 or 有是無 Here 有
Does not mean have or there is, but is only the sign of a question.
你有真愛讀冊無？
Do you like studying?
愛，我真愛讀冊。
Yes, I love studying.
Note that, in the answer 有 is not used before 真。無愛，我無愛讀冊。
No, I don't like studying.
你真愛寫字是無？你有真愛寫字是無？
Do you really like writing characters? You really like writing characters, do you? In the question and sentence, A above,
With 無 we must use 有 We may not ask 你真愛讀冊無？
note that, in the question and sentence B,
With 是無 we may say or omit 有 L7. 恁有真爱啉咖啡，是无 ？For the use of 有 in a question, we may also ask the same question without 有。恁真爱啉咖啡，是无？例句
Pattern sentences.
你爱看册无？爱，我爱看册。无爱，我无爱看册。我无啥物爱看册。无啥物爱
Equals not like to. Very much.
你有真爱讲话无？爱，我真爱讲话。无爱，我真无爱讲话。修理，请你过来坐。好，我请你啉咖啡，你爱无？陈先生，你食饱未？我食饱啊。王修士，你爱啉滚水无？
Note that the surname does not change tone in Group I, and does change tone in Group J.
伊食饱未？伊食饱啊。我有真侪钱。这是56箍，是无？是，这是56箍。毋是，这毋是56箍。